Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the file, open the RAW or high-quality JPEG so you preserve data. Once the image loads, set white balance to match the scene to avoid a color cast. This keeps hues accurate. Next, make the first exposure tweak. Raise exposure by about 0. 2 to 0. 5 stops if shadows are muddy. You do this early because correct exposure gives more room for saturated color without clipping highlights, and that makes later tweaks safer and more effective. Once done with exposure and white balance, focus on vibrance and selective color. You boost vibrance first, about 15 to 35, because it increases muted tones more gently than saturation, preventing skin tones from going neon. Then use HSL controls to lift the luminance and saturation of targeted hues like blues or greens. This refines mood without wrecking other colors. Make a mild clarity increase to add mid-tone contrast, which makes colors appear punchier. Just keep it subtle to avoid haloing. You finish by balancing contrast and final polish. Apply a gentle S-curve in curves to deepen shadows and lift highlights. This increases perceived color richness. Sharpen modestly. Use a standard amount and mask so soft areas stay smooth. Then inspect the histogram and highlight clipping warnings. If colors clip or skin looks oversaturated, reduce exposure or lower vibrance and tweak targeted HSL sliders. One troubleshooting tip. If saturation jumps look inconsistent, toggle the edits on and off to isolate the problematic control and correct it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.